Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with ADP Workforce Now, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the ADP Workforce Now URL. Press the Enter key to load the site. On the home page, locate the Register button. Click on the Register button to start the process. You will be redirected to the registration page. Here, enter your company code if prompted. If you do not have a company code, contact your employer. Next, fill in your personal information as requested. This typically includes your name, email address, and social security number. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid issues later. After entering your information, click on the Next button. You may be asked to verify your identity. Follow the prompts to receive a verification code via email or phone. Once you receive the code, enter it in the space provided. Click Verify to proceed to the next step. Next, create a unique username for your account. Choose a password that meets the specified security requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Review the user agreement and privacy policy. If you agree, check the acceptance box. Now, click on Submit to complete your registration. You will see a confirmation message once your account is successfully created. You can now log in using your new username and password. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features available. If you encounter any issues, consult the help section or contact support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.